What did you say? Well, since I am not invited, I'll just send my gifts to the newlyweds.
It says to the parents.
Ariel, I made some wedding gift for Daddy. But Sharon, it says to the parents that since I'm the prettiest among the youths, I should give him.
Kyle, shouldn't take what's not for I'm sure you don't want to speak to the guys. Come, give me the apple.
Excuse me, Athena. To what?
Why? I found it first.
Quiet! Athena, shut up again.
Goddess wisdom.
There, this is mine. Aphrodite, my dear, you may be the goddess of love and beauty, but it doesn't mean you should give the apple.
Why not? Because it's mine.
What is your title?
Goddess of wisdom.
You are?
With love and beauty.
And I am the queen of all gods and goddesses. So give me the apple.
Grandpa, make them stop.
Let them be. They will tire you.
But I am afraid that they will do the whole building.
But Peleus, I know this woman. They are spiteful, fierce, and thou dost them. They give that apple to any of them. That two will happy forever. Ah, that is a good thing. Let them settle it by themselves.
Give it to me. Oh, no! Do not dare me. That's enough.
I will give it for you.
No, you witch. Athena, give it to me now. 1, 2.
Grandpa!
Give it to me.
Alright. Silence! I'm tired of this nonsense. Take that apple to avoid their parents in the mountain Ida. We will settle this thing.